Good morning, first grade. We are in our workbook and we are on page 201 and we are going to be working with adverbs. Okay, it says adverbs for how and where. All right, adverbs describe actions and it describes other descriptive words. Okay, so it describes actions. Okay, so circle the adverb in each sentence, write it on the line. Let's take a look at number 1. Just try to get my pen here, guys. There we go. Okay, number 1. The man went upstairs. Which of these words describe a word that tells how or where? Went, right? It tells where he went. He went upstairs. It sort of describes what he does. Okay, he went. So write the word went on the line. W-E-N-T. Okay, number 2, let's read it. The dog followed him closely. One more time. The dog followed him closely. Which word tells how or where? Followed would just be a regular verb, right? It's something you can do, followed him, but closely tells how, right? How did he follow him? He followed him closely. So closely is the adverb that you want to write on the line. Number 3, Buzz is here. Buzz is here. Which word tells how or where? Here, right? H-E-R-E, here. And number 4. Number 4, he watched the fly carefully. He watched the fly carefully. All right. So which word talks about how or where? Okay, so we're kind of describing how he watched. How did he watch the fly? Right, carefully. The adverb is carefully. Write carefully on the line. And number 5 and 6, complete each sentence. Write an adverb that tells how or where. So we get to come up with our own adverb. How fun. Number 5, the leaf floated blank down the stream. What adverb could we put there? The leaf floated blank down the stream. Can you think of a word that could make sense in that blank? The leaf floated quickly down the stream. The leaf floated gently down the stream. Any of those words would work. You can put whatever word you would like that makes sense, whatever adverb you would like. The leaf floated, what else could we say? I think I'm going to go with gently. Gently down the stream. And number 6, Jose stores his new boat blank. Jose stores his new boat carefully. Jose stores his new boat. I'm going to say carefully, but if you can think of a different word that you would like to use, a different adverb, you can do that. All right, and then give yourself a star or a smile. Good work. We're going to go on to page 203. Long vowel spelling, A-E-I-O-U. Circle the 2 words in each row that rhyme. Then write the letter that spells the long vowel sound. All right, so let's read all of the words and then we'll decide which ones rhyme. Ready? Table, high, fable, me. Which two words have the same ending sound? Listen again. Table, high, fable, me. Table high? No. Table fable? Yes. Okay. So we are going to circle those two words. Oops, I need to get my pen. Let's see. Let's pick a different color. How about I pick blue? Okay. Table, fable. They both have able, right? And what is the long vowel sound you hear? The long A sound, right? So write an A on the line for number 1. Number 2, high, she, he, go. Which two words rhyme? High, she. No. High, he. High, go. Nope. How about she, he, right? She, he. They both have E, the long E sound at the end. All right, why don't you guys try to do number 3, 4, and 5 by yourself? So pause the video, try to read the words, and you pick the words that rhyme. I will actually quickly read the words for you, but then I want you to pause it and see if you can find the 2 rhyming words by yourself and the long vowel sound and write it on the line. And then you can unpause and see if your answers are correct. Okay, but first, before you pause, I'm going to quickly read them for you. Number 3, you can read them with me. Kind, no, flew, mind. Number 4, flew, stew, so, be. Number 5, we, hold, wind, told. All right, pause it, and you guys do 3, 4, and 5. All right, let's see if you are correct with your answers, guys. All right, so what are the 2 rhyming words for number 3? Did you get kind, mind? They both have eind, the long I sound, right? Number 4, flew, stew. They both have the oo sound. And number 5, hold, told. They both have old, the long O sound in the middle. All right, excellent job, smiley face. See you in the next video, guys.